Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to look at web design development. And this video, this is season 1, episode 4, and it is basically for beginners. Yes, please, you can just go on YouTube and look for simplified academic tutorials UK. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos and updates. In this video, we are going to look at how we can insert an image into our website. It is very simple. So let's start. In our home page, we want to insert an image. Here, what we need to do, we need to just we need this tag of img. Img means image. Okay, so we need also the images to be in this folder. So this is the folder, meaning what you have to do, you have to get some images and then you put inside you put them inside your folder. So what I'm going to do first, let me look for some images in my computer. Let me see whether I have some. Let me see. Very fast. I think here. Let me use some images here. Okay, I'm going to just copy them. Copy, and then I paste them here. Okay. So we have those images inside our folder, inside our project. There are 5 images. Yeah. And then what we should know, what is a file extension. So this image name, it is arc, and then the file extension, it is here, and the item type, it is JPG, and then this one also JPG, and also this, yes, this also JPG. There is JPEG, or JPEG. There is JF, TIF, something like that. Yeah, it is better to know the file extensions for those images. So initially, what we did here in our code window. So let me first repeat it again. So we want to put an image in this home.html, our home page, or our landing page. Okay. To put an image, just put this tag. It is called img, stands for image, and then I'm going to just press the tab key. So here there is src, it stands for source, image source, and then in between these two quotes, that's where we are going to put that file path. Okay, so the file path here, we have an image here. It is arc, Then the file extension is here, JPG. Okay, so to put that file path, it is arc.jpg. Mind about the spellings. Or we can just tap here on our project, and then here we can identify the what, the image name, and then the file extension. Okay, let me save, and I browse to see those changes. Okay, that's it. So this is the image. So to resize it, that is the use of CSS. Yeah, I'm going to upload uh, another uh, another video for CSS, how we can design a website, how we can style it, and then I'm going to put another image such that you can understand this thing so well. Uh, the another image, let me just put this mobs, and then the file extension dot jpg. Then we shall see how we can style them. Okay, let me save. Let me open my browser, and then I refresh. Let me go down here. I think it is down. Okay, this is the image. Um, assuming here inside our project, there is a folder for those images. Let me open a new folder, and then I'm going to put there two images. I'm going to put this inside this folder, and then also this one. Okay, so the game is like this. We have here a folder for our project, our website. It is website. Okay, inside there is uh there is our page, there is our files, there is about .html, there is home.html, there is register, and some images. But inside there is also another folder, and it has two images, host and master images. So for us to to insert those images, it is also very simple. It is the file, we put the img tag, and then to put those images which are inside this folder, of images, this one. Then what we have to do, so when you're putting the source, you have to first start with that folder. It is called images, and then forward slash, then the image name. It is we have there, I think there is host.jpg, host.jpg. Okay, so I'm going to browse, open, right click, then I open to see whether that image is there. So it is here. So what if we didn't include this folder name, and we just call it host.jpg? Let's see whether the image will be there. Let me refresh. The image So it's not showing. It is not showing. That's why it is like this. Okay. So it means it is very crucial uh, to do that. Okay. Please, this video can also end here. Please, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to watch the last video for season 1. It will be our fifth episode, and please, that video is going to be basically for CSS, how we can resize, how we can style, how we can design it well. Thank you for watching. I remain as Kawaii Robert. Please don't forget to subscribe at Simplified Academic Tutorials UK. Thank you.